one of the great calls I made is a year ago when BitFuck was at $19,600. I said, it's over. Smart money, sell half, keep half. My mentees lost billions because nobody listened to me.
You know, it's been a few days since I've made an official video, and as I'm looking at things in hindsight, in perspective, this doesn't look real bullish to me for the long term. Now, I am long at 94, 9,500. Our safe target was 9,800, 9,900. And there are some indications in certain places that are pointing to us going up again, which I absolutely, I sold a third of my long. I'm still 2/3 in my long, got the stop above my entry, so no matter what, I'm good. I do believe we have some, there is some good signs pointing to we can see a little rally up, but most likely the play to make is going to be shorting wherever this goes to, because this is going to get ugly, I believe, as far as the price of Bitcoin going down. It's looking a little ugly. Looking at the transaction flow, and we've always known on what any time frame, from the 15-minute to the hour to the daily to the weekly, when the money flow goes from a big green wave and it just starts to breach into the red, that is extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. Now, there will still be a rebound when it first enters, right? So if we go back to when after the 19K, so let's see here, drop down to 6K, there was absolutely a rebound, right? Made this triangle similar to what we are in right now. Same shape, different size. You could play around with it a little bit more, what have you, but the point is still there. Plus, this still would pass as the mega Swedish shuffle, even if we just came down to the low 7Ks, 6Ks, broke down. Ooh, I'm telling you, you think the fear and greed index is fearful right now? I mean, luck favors the prepared. Are you prepared for when this dump is going to happen? It is going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. For sure. I don't believe that we will never not see 7K again like we've seen the last. What is a larger time? Now that's on the daily. So let's look at some of the other time frames. I'm tunnel visioned on the daily. Looking at the weekly. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't Bitcoin supposed to, yeah, it comes back up and then comes back down again and then slowly comes back up? Isn't this what's supposed to happen? Isn't this what's supposed to happen? Now, where was I here? Yeah, we've been in our long, let's see here, so 95.32. We've been long since the 9400s, 9500s. I've been rather confident. We were at the you know, at a level of support, you could say. Oh, shoot, what was it? Darn. I'm forgetting something. Is it BLX? Bam, that's what it was, not DLX. Now, we do have a potential. We're on the daily here. If we can get a little green dot closure on the daily, this would be a good little confirmation just for some type of upwards move, whether it be small or bigger or huge. I'm not looking for much. I'm really checking my greed right now, though. I am checking my greed and being happy with what the market gives me, because in my opinion, I do feel like the play is going to be a short at the right time. Again, I am still in my long. I took a third of the trade in profit. But I feel like people are a little more kind of dandy. They feel a little more safe than they really should. Really, I feel like this is just going to be a mini version of the 19K. It's going to be the same thing, right? Played sideways, then boom, came down, but a minier version. All right, so we might have one more little bump, whoop. Then we'll, after this little bump, whoop, we'll come back down, be sideways, and then boom, it'll come down. Right to about that 74 into the 7Ks. This is the chart that I believe is the truth. September, October. Send your Bitcoin right over. Because the Chinese are going to be pushing those buttons. What did we say before when the institutional mind, when the institutions, the Goldman Sachs, the Chinese Sachs, if they want to get more of an asset, they dump the price and scoop it up. If they want to get rid of an asset, they'll pump the price and then dump it. Think about it. It's common sense. It's not a complicated thing. This is a deep drop off. We're on the 3-day here. This is a deep drop. This is coming down. There is so much room to the downside. There is a lot of room to go to the downside. Yeah, I think there's a lot of room to go to the downside. I don't really care about, you know, I'm not looking at gold. I don't really care if even gold comes down the 1400s. I just feel like by next year or 2 years from now, I wouldn't be surprised if gold was at and above, at or above its all-time highs. Oh yes, the Market Cipher Labor Day special is still going on. It's going on through the end of tomorrow. It's going to end at 11:59 p.m. Monday night, Central Standard Time. That is CST. I repeat, Market Cipher is currently 20% off. Go to CryptoFaceCrypto.com. If you haven't seen the Crypto Love interview, it was really good. We had a good time. We had a good time. See, we got 3,700 views. Good comments, a couple little worms in there, nothing usual. Good community, I liked it. We had a good time. Good time. I believe this week I'm supposed to be on with Tone as well. I've been watching more Tone Vase recently. And Tone gets a lot of hate. I've always heard, you know, people talking shit about Tone Vase, of course. And even I've, like, said little things. Like, I've even said little things. And I'm man enough to admit it. Nothing too bad. But whatever I said, if I've said anything negative about Tone Vase in any type of way, even to the slightest degree, I take it back. He's a good guy. He's an authentic guy. What the heck is wrong with, Did I do something here? There we go. Stock market doesn't look too bad on the daily. Might have something with DuPont where we're in a DuPont long. That's going well. We were able to catch the bottom of DuPont. Anyways, I think that's pretty much it. Right now, as of right now, my view on Bitcoin is that I feel like we're just repeating the 19,000 to 6,000 triangle to breaking down, but smaller, shorter, and faster. A minier version. And we'll see how the things can change every day. Things can change every day. Hell, there could be some crazy Chinese pump. There could be a Chinese dump. But as of right now, I am long to see if I can catch this last little bit. I'm being safe about it. Got my stop profits. And I think I'm going to be looking to short a good long time frame. Right now, I'm pretty much long off of the 12-hour time frame. Trying to get close to the daily maybe. Long off the 12. When this hits the 0, right, that's a good point to take some profit for sure on our momentum wave when we hit the 0. Always a good place to take profit, absolutely. This is a struggle up here. This is a struggle. Things are going good. Podcast office and stuff. That's happening next week. Same progress still going with Cynthia bot, the Market Cipher bot. We've had a lot of signups this weekend for the 20% off. I'm excited for all you guys. In fact, what kind of video would this be if we Didn't take a look at some good old profit logs. Let's take a look. Good job, people. Good job. Latin Crypto, good job. Owlow, good job. Oh, that's me. Okay, I had a good little one here, too. At work, but also doing some trading. Good job, dude. This was Saturday. What day is today, Sunday? So this was yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 out of 10 trades. Good job, trade or die. Thank you, CF and Flop and Go for Magnificent Market Cipher. Won 9 out of 11 trades. Good job, Jim. We have so... Look at all these new faces. All these new people. All these new people coming in and just posting 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm telling you, baby. You can go take a look at your shitty free VP, whatever free indicators. They don't come close. They don't come close. They never will. Beautiful. Still learning, but I'm getting the hang of it. Damn, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 out of 10. Wise one. Looks like you're getting the hang of it. That's for sure. Good job. Good job, guys. Any new testimonials? I'm 9 out of 9 so far. 9 out of 9 trades. I mean, look at these people. Look at these people. Anywho. So we'll see what happens this week. See if we can catch this long. And see if we can set up, get a nice short setup. And ride the elevator down. See you guys.